What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to snipe using NovaBot on Telegram. To do this process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. In case you guys haven't started using NovaBot, I'll provide a link in the description of it as well. You guys can go and check it out from there. Hit the start button and you will see these options popping up right here, and you can use this address to deposit Solana into your Nova wallet using one of your Solana wallets. For example, here you can go to Phantom wallet and send some Solana from your Phantom wallet to this address. Once you're done with that, here I will go and hit the sniper option, and after clicking it you will see these options that are popping up right here, and here go and click on this new task option. Here it will provide you with two new options. Here you have to choose between Radium Sniper or Pump.Fun Sniper for newly launched meme coins. And after that, what you can do is click on the sniper button and it will ask you to paste a token address here. And if you want to snipe a meme coin, a Pump.Fun meme coin, you can select this option right here and it will show you this kind of menu opening up right here. Now in this menu you will see tons of options to adjust. It will show you your current sniping mode, your take profit and stop loss, your current active wallet, and tons of other options: buying amount, buying fee, buying tip, your slippage amount, and map protection. And you can adjust these according to your own preference. It completely depends upon you. Now let's go back and paste a token's address. For that I can head over to SoulScan and I can copy in random token's address, click on this Radium Sniper option and paste the address. This is the token address of Hemi. You will see the similar options popping up right here which I mentioned before. Once you guys have adjusted these, go back and here you can go and select start all in order to start sniping. Well, that's how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.